Millions of people in America are trapped in high credit card interest, and now Trump has made a big announcement. Donald Trump has said that he wants to place a 10% limit on credit card interest, at least for 1 year. Today, many Americans pay 20 to 30% interest. If a 10% cap is applied, their monthly interest bill could drop significantly. According to Trump, banks and credit card companies are making too much money from everyday people. This cap is meant to give consumers some relief. But some experts say that if interest is limited, banks might give fewer loans or increase fees. For people drowning in credit card debt, this could be a huge relief. Lower interest means a real chance to slowly get out of debt. But the big question is, will this plan actually be implemented, and will the banks allow it? If interest was capped at 10%, would your credit card debt go down? Tell us in the comments.